Hi, my name is Ethan Tan. Today I will talk to you about YouTube. So what is YouTube? It's impossible you know nothing about it because this show is on YouTube right now. YouTube is a popular video sharing website where you can upload your own videos and watch and comment on other videos already there. YouTube was started in April 2005 by Steve Chan and Chad Hurley, pioneers in video sharing. Their YouTube business was so successful that even Google was envious of them. So Google bought YouTube for $1.65 billion and made Steve and Chad very rich. But enough about business. Now I'm going to talk about the benefits of using YouTube. Mostly, YouTube was used for entertainment. That was just a short video for entertainment. There are also music videos, homemade productions, and a whole lot more. Sometimes it is used to study or to research because there are some tutorial videos on YouTube. You can find tutorials of just about anything, even how to tie a tie. Professional or amateur filmmakers can also use YouTube as a way to showcase their talents and find out what people think of their videos. But not everything about YouTube is good. Before, YouTube's biggest problem was copyright infringement. People could have uploaded anything they had a copy of. So the music industry got mad at the music people are uploading on YouTube. Apparently, those songs are copyrighted material, and you can't just share them for everyone to hear. YouTube responded quickly and took down any videos they can find that violated copyright law. Now YouTube has a series of rules and regulations and is asking viewers to report any video they see that violate the rules or have bad material like violence, gore, and other media not fit for all ages. YouTube's biggest and current problem now is money. They don't have enough of it. YouTube is simply not making enough money. It can't keep up with its maintenance and expenses because it does not have enough advertisements. But unless you are willing to pay for more ads or give money to YouTube, there is nothing we can do about it. If YouTube does resolve its financial crisis, it can then continue providing us with high quality and some not so high quality videos that we have all come to know. So that's it for now. For more information, go to elf.exis.edu.ph/wiki/YouTube. I am Ethan Tan and this is vlogging about YouTube.